Understanding, clear as the air, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase, clear as the air. This idiom is not just about the weather or the environment, but it carries a deeper meaning in communication and understanding. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and delve into some examples to help you master it in no time. Clear as the air is an idiom that describes something that is extremely clear or obvious. It is often used to indicate that there is no misunderstanding or confusion about a situation, message, or information. Just like how clear air allows us to see through it without any obstruction, this phrase symbolizes transparency and clarity in understanding. Although clear as the air is not as commonly cited as some other idioms, its meaning resonates with similar expressions like clear as day or clear as crystal. These idioms all share the theme of clarity and obviousness. The use of air, in this context, emphasizes a lack of impediments to understanding or perception, suggesting that something is as understandable as it can possibly be. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal contexts, although it's more commonly heard in casual conversation. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. In personal communication, his intentions were as clear as the air. He wants to help us with the project. In business settings, the terms of the agreement are clear as the air, so there should be no room for misunderstanding. In literature or writing, the evidence was as clear as the air, leaving no doubt about the protagonist's innocence. When using clear as the air, it's important to avoid mixing it with other idioms or phrases that have a different meaning. For example, saying clear as the mud instead, which actually means something is very confusing or unclear. Always ensure the context requires a sense of clarity or obviousness before using this phrase. Understanding idioms like clear as the air can add depth and nuance to your English communication, making it richer and more expressive. We hope this video has made the meaning and usage of this idiom as clear as the air for you. Remember, learning a language is a journey full of discoveries. Keep exploring, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.